boxes.
So in the box we have a lot of accessories to make the gingerbread house.
I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you guys try this because it's very fun and you can eat it after. Like, that's the best part.
When you're done decorating it, you can eat it and it's probably gonna be so delicious.
Because it's edible. Everything is edible.
Yes. And hi, the book will be suddenly going to guide you for them because I have the helmet.
So let's get started. So we have two different ones. I have the house and she has a tree house. So now we will open it.
I'm so excited.
So here are my crackers. So that's the house. And then show them your crackers.
And here are my cookie crackers. You can also call them cookies.
Yeah. And now we have, what is that? Say it louder.
Candy.
It's the candy.
So we have different kinds of candies.
Yes. I also have some candies. I have some Haribo gummy bears. And the icing, we have the icing. She has the icing also. Show them the icing.
We each have white icing.
But she has some colored icing.
So I have a brown icing and I have a green icing.
Yes. So now we can start. Okay. We're gonna start off by opening our crackers. Yeah, the crackers. So we decided to do only the gingerbread house because the tree house was a bit more challenging, but we will be doing that in another video, so stay tuned for that. So now we can get started. So what she is going to do is knead the royal icing just so it could become firm and not too liquidy. So knead it. Yeah, like knead it.
So I'm gonna massage.
Yeah, massage it. And while she's doing that, I'm going to start getting ready and assembling the parts of the gingerbread house, like the cookies. So these are going to be the side and the back. Okay. This is going to be the front because it has the door. Well, both of them has the door, but one back and one front. I just flew. Okay.
I got it.
I'm gonna make sure it's gonna come out. I'm pretty sure it's gonna come. There's air. Oh my god. Okay. So hold this part. Hold it. Like, actually, no. Let me just put the icing on. I'm gonna put some icing on. You can do it. Put some icing on like here, both sides.
What about here?
Yeah, put some there too. Yeah. Hold on. It's because of air. There's air inside. We're trying to figure out this. Like that. You have to squish it from the bottom. So you can. Oh wait. This needs to open. Doesn't it? It needs to open. Figured it out. Now she's going to put it right here. You have to start from the bottom and then like go up and you got to
Get in your shirt.
Okay, so I'm gonna do one side and then I do the other, just so you can see. It's not coming out. Oh my god!
It was kind of coming out.
Okay, come on.
Let me cut it. Let me help you guys.
So my mom is going to help us. While that. Yep. So that's gonna be the front, and the other part is gonna be the back, and then this is going to be the side. So because it has the window.
These things, like
They're
these,
gonna be the roof.
you're gonna able to put them on the top.
And then we have our candy. We mix all of them up. So we have, while we're waiting, these are the candies we have. We have sour gummy drops. We have some of these candy. I'm not sure what they are. And then we have.
They're like these candy
They're like
leaves and
yeah,
little red balls.
And we have some Christmas lights. Very cool.
Here we go.
Oh, she's done. And also we have some gummy bears and this Haribo gummy round circle thing. Okay, so now we're going to
get
yeah, finally. Okay, I'm gonna do one side. She's gonna do another. Okay, go. Oh, it's coming out. Okay.
Okay, see.
Oh my gosh. Okay, it is because of the
Air.
Air, yeah. Good. We did it. You're going to do the other side. Yes. Squeeze it real hard. Use your muscles. Okay, so she did it. We lift it up. There it goes. Okay, so now that we have the icing, we're going to put the side. So I'm gonna need this to be sitting up. Okay, so this is how it looks.
The door is like over here.
Oh no. Okay, I think that's good. There you go. Oh no, it's unsticking. I think we need more icing. And that's a tip to you guys. If you want it to be strong and for it to hold really good, don't be scared to put a lot of icing. Don't be scared. There you go. Now we have it. You're going to help me try. We're gonna put it fit. Wait, it was like this. Okay. Worked, so pretty good. Just trying to move it on the cardboard. Okay, so now that it worked, we're going to get the second part right here. So you're going to do that part. Get the second part, and we're going to not like that, the outside. Okay, there you go. Go like these in the middle. No. Oh no! Careful! No, don't push this. Don't push this. Oh no, it's not working. This is just coming off. We got this. Okay, so we're going to just some icing on my hand. Where is it? Okay. Oh, this might not be the right side. Maybe this side. Oh no. Okay, hold these like together. Yeah, now we're going to put it. You see, it wasn't the right side.
What about this? Is it the right side?
Yeah. Okay, so we have put it, and it's looking very good. So now we're going to put the other roof. So this part. We have a lot of icing, as I said. And then now we're just gonna place it on. There you go. Oh, don't slip, please. Our gingerbread house is complete. We did it.
We did we put a lot of icing on it so it can stick good.
Yes, so now is the fun part.
We decorate.
We decorate. So we're just gonna go all. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some icing on the top. I'm going to put some gummy bears on top.
I'm gonna put some.
So you could get the icing, so you could put some.
I'm gonna put one of these balls for the door because of course I need one of the balls for the door. Wait, I think I need two balls for the door.
No, we could get one. Gummy bears are just standing there.
The gummy bears are this tiny.
Oh my gosh. They're just standing there at the top. This one's not good. Yeah, that's gonna fall off. We're not going to use this one. Okay. Oh my. So my gummy bears are finally aligned. They were falling off, but that's good. Now,
We're gonna use.
she wants to use these little teeny candies for the door. So you're gonna have to put icing on that.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the door. It looks pretty cool. Very cute. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to let her pick a candy to put right here. Any candy. So pick a candy.
To put on the door.
No, on the top right here.
So I'm gonna put this.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me open it. Okay, now put one on it. While she's doing that, I'm going to continue. Ooh, let's show. This is what she did. She put a purple and a yellow one. Cute, good colors. So now we shall continue. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline the parts over here with icing, and then I'm going to place some candy on them. So that's going to be very cool. While I'm doing that, you can do something else. Get some icing and put some candy on it. I think I got a little too messy with this, but that's okay. So we are done with the icing, and the gingerbread house is almost done. We just need to finish on with these decorations. So shove them, do a little spin. We added some candies, but we still got them more. So now, give you guys the best part. Okay, so now we're going to continue. Now, all we have to do is just the candy, so I think that will be easy. I'm going to start with the little Christmas lights. Okay, so it's coming together, and I'm really liking it. So yay!
It looks so beautiful and cute.
Yeah. Make it more fall. Try not to make them fall. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe for more videos. Like, because I know you guys like them, and comment what other videos we can do. See you in our next video. Bye. Bye.